What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm going to show you how to program a scene on your ROCKFORCE W2. So now I have my Best Part 60s wirelessly connected to my ROCKFORCE W2, but if you want to figure out how to do that, watch the previous video. But to start setting a scene, we're actually going to have to put the ROCKFORCE W2 into program mode. To do that, you're going to go over here, find the program button, which is actually this one, the third button down from the top, and you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. Now you'll know you're in program mode because this program LED will start blinking on the display over here. Now, how do we want to think of scenes? Scenes are basically just little shortcuts that we can create with the scene buttons over here so that when we're in a show or a performance, we can quickly access those shortcuts we created for ourselves. So for example, if I wanted to set scene 1 to the color red, I would go to my fader, put it up to red. And so now what I want to do to program a scene is tell my controller that this position where the lights are in the red position is scene 1. So to do that, I go to MIDI add over here, click it, and then I press scene 1. And you'll see the whole display flash, which lets us know that it registered that. To check that, I'm actually going to turn off the red color, leave program mode by holding the program button again, and you'll know you left program mode because it will automatically put the controller into blackout mode, which you can see with this blackout button flashing over here. So to leave blackout mode, just click blackout. Now we want to check that scene 1 is the color red. So if I go and I click scene 1, my lights turn red, which lets me know that the DMX controller programmed scene 1 to be the color red. Now the cool thing about this DMX controller is for the different 30 banks that we have, we can set up 8 scenes in each of those banks. So if I go back into program mode, I could set up scene 2 to be something different. So let's say we set that to be the color green. So what I do is I go to the fader associated with green on my DMX lights, which is fader 2, and then I want to tell the controller to register this position as scene 2. So I go MIDI add, it flashes letting us know that it's registered and now scene 2 will be green. But while we're here, why don't we program another scene? Let's set up ultraviolet. So ultraviolet is the 6th position on our fader, so I put that all the way up. I'm going to go MIDI add, scene 3, everything flashes letting me know that scene 3 is now ultraviolet. Let's leave program mode now. To do that, I'm going to hold program. The display now shows me that we're in blackout mode, letting me know that we successfully left program mode. So I click blackout, and now if I click scene 1, it should be red. If I click scene 2, it should be programmed to green. And if I click scene 3, it should be programmed to ultraviolet. Now the cool thing about the ROCKFORCE W2 is, like I said before, you have 8 different scenes that you can program within 30 of the different banks that you can choose. And remember, to choose between the different banks, if you want to program different scenes, you just click the up and down buttons, and you can always tell what bank you're in with the digital display over here. But we'll get to that in another video. So hopefully this video showed you how easy it is to create and program scenes with your ROCKFORCE W2. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville, and I'll see you in the next one.